Go.
What is your name?
My name is Carla Ane.
Where were you born?
I was born in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro.
Why did you move here on the island?
My initial reason for moving to Nassau was because I had met my soon-to-be ex-husband while doing a beauty pageant.
Did you complete college?
I did complete college. I got a degree in audio engineering.
Are you married? If so, how long?
I'm not currently married, but I was married for 7 years.
Have you been married before?
No.
Who earned the money in your family, you or your husband?
My husband for sure. I'm too busy playing.
Do you love him or did you marry him for money?
Oh no, I definitely married him for love. But now I'm wishing that I would have married for money.
How is the relationship between you and your husband?
My husband and soon-to-be ex-husband, we have, I would say, a love and hate relationship. We love hard, but then we fight hard.
What does a typical day look like in your life?
A typical day in my life is very laid back, you know, the school run, just a lot of me time, massages, facials, and of course drinks with the girls.
Do you have children from your present marriage?
I do have one child, a 6-year-old daughter.
And where is she currently?
She currently lives with me.
Who is your favorite clothing designer?
I would say my favorite clothing designer would have to be Roberto Cavalli. I love his like wild prints and just his designs are just amazing.
What is your most favorite thing to do?
I think my most favorite thing to do in the last few years since I've moved here would definitely have to be going out on the boat, enjoying what the Bahamas has to offer, and just really seeing and visiting the outer islands.
Why do you want to be on an island housewives, and what makes you an island housewife?
Well, I would say what makes me an island housewife would be that I am just carefree, and quite frankly, I'm just real. And I would have to say that a lot of women wish they had my life.
Do you like and are close with the other women that will be on the show?
I only know a couple of the women that I know we're interviewing. I would have to say that I love Kim to death. That's my girl. Nani is a very good friend of mine. She is actually my daughter's ballet teacher. I met Daisy briefly. She seems like a wild child, but don't really know her that well. But certainly no comparison to Kim and I.
How do you feel about Jonathan? When did y'all meet?
Jonathan, I can't love him enough. He is just a doll, and our personalities just clicked immediately. And we met through Kim, actually.
Do you have any opinions on the other shows about wealthy housewives?
I would say that the other shows on Wealthy Housewives, they just seem like a bunch of posers. And really, what's so interesting about their lives if they have to be fighting all the time?
Do you believe in and do you have a therapist?
I do believe in therapy. I currently do not have a therapist, but I have had one in the past, and my ex and I did go to marriage counseling. So much that worked out, but yeah.
What about plastic surgery? Have you had any? How do you feel about it?
I think if you can afford it and you're willing to do it, why not? And yes, I have had it.